phone. Did you know? She knew now. Ah, it was so hard to surprise Priscilla. Eh? It was so hard to surprise her. Oh my God. You're gonna have to open it. Happy birthday in advance. Yes. This is from Royal Hugs. In advance, I love you, baby. Yes, so it's your birthday period. We ain't resting. Oh my God. So you're gonna have your breakfast. All this for you. It's your birthday week, so we're treating you special. It's your birthday season. I wish I had diamonds to give you, but I give you so much love. Alright. Priscilla, you cuckoo like food. That's why you cuckoo like food. You like food, so... Back. On the AC. The AC is off. It is hot. On the AC, buddy.
It went to my heart. Food.
Yes, the way to your heart is food. I know. This is so nice. When you told me that you're going to do your hair, I'm like, this girl, eh? It's so hard to surprise you. I have to tell Bode to lie. I said Bode should lie that the car is bad. He has to eat. Then I said, okay, let him eat.
I wonder why I was wasting my time. Why Shat was not wasting my time.
Yes. That's what I said. You want us to take a picture of your phone?
Yes.
You're in a picture, but your face is not showing like that. I don't know if I got it right. But then, come on. Okay.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.